Did you know your brain physically changes when you're stressed? It's not just a feeling. It's a neurological reality. The constant pressure of modern life, the endless notifications, the packed schedules, the overwhelming choices is actively reshaping the very architecture of your mind. But what if you could take back control and literally rewire your brain for peace and clarity? Let's dive into the neuroscience of simplicity. When you're chronically stressed, your body is flooded with a hormone called cortisol. This triggers your amygdala, the brain's alarm center, to go into overdrive. It strengthens neural pathways associated with fear, anxiety, and reactivity. Think of it like a path in a forest. The more you walk it, the more defined it becomes. Similarly, the more you experience stress, the easier it is for your brain to default to a stressed-out state. This process also weakens your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, emotional regulation, and complex thought. It becomes harder to focus, solve problems, and stay calm under pressure. You might recognize this in your own life. Do you feel constantly on edge, like you're reacting to one crisis after another? Perhaps you find it difficult to concentrate on a single task, your mind jumping from one worry to the next. You might feel overwhelmed by a to-do list that never seems to shrink, leading to decision fatigue, where even small choices feel monumental. This isn't a personal failing. It's the predictable outcome of a brain marinated in stress hormones. You're caught in a cycle where stress makes it harder to cope, which in turn creates even more stress. The clutter in your life, be it physical, digital, or mental, is feeding this neurological loop, keeping your brain's alarm system permanently switched on. The solution is to intentionally simplify your life, creating a stress reduction blueprint that rewires your mind for calm. This isn't about getting rid of everything you own. It's about consciously removing the unnecessary to make space for what truly matters. Start by decluttering your physical environment. A tidy, organized space sends a powerful signal of calm to your brain, reducing cortisol and quieting the amygdala. Next, tackle your digital world. Unsubscribe from junk emails, turn off non-essential notifications, and schedule specific times to check your phone. This creates pockets of uninterrupted focus, allowing your prefrontal cortex to strengthen. Finally, simplify your schedule. Learn to say no to commitments that don't align with your values or goals. By reducing the number of decisions you have to make and the tasks you have to juggle, you give your brain a much-needed break from the cognitive overload. As you implement these changes, you begin to rewire your brain. With less cortisol and a calmer amygdala, your prefrontal cortex can come back online. You'll start to build and reinforce neural pathways for focus, calm, and deliberate thought. This is the power of neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to change and adapt based on your experiences. By choosing simplicity, you are actively choosing to build a less reactive, more resilient brain. You'll find your ability to concentrate improves. You'll feel more in control of your emotions and less overwhelmed by daily challenges. Simplifying your life isn't just a lifestyle trend. It's a practical, science-backed method for reclaiming your mental well-being from the inside out. The key takeaway is that your brain is constantly being shaped by your environment and your choices. A cluttered, chaotic, and overstimulated life builds a brain wired for stress. A simplified, intentional life builds a brain wired for peace and focus. You have the power to influence this process. By consciously reducing external stressors and internal mental clutter, you can physically change your brain's structure and function for the better. If you're ready to start this journey and rewire your brain for a less stressful life, begin with one small step today. Unsubscribe from 5 email lists or clear off one cluttered surface. Let us know in the comments what you'll do first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on mastering your mind.